Samsung has recently introduced its latest ultra-affordable device, and we're referring to the Galaxy A07 5G. This device has been officially launched in India, offering compelling features aimed at capturing the economic segment. You'll notice a very sleek design measuring 8.2 millimeters in thickness and weighing 199 grams. Additionally, it features gradient finishes on the back cover in various colors, along with the signature key island for the buttons. It will be available in colors like black, green, light green, and also light purple. I must emphasize that the last two colors can create a gradient effect from certain angles, making it look quite appealing. The screen measures 6.7 inches, yet it remains an LCD panel with HD resolution, indicating a fairly basic display. However, the significant surprise lies in its refresh rate, which is 120 Hz. Additionally, it comes with a basic brightness of 800 nits, but at least the refresh rate is capable of competing well. Inside it carries the MediaTek Dimensity 6000 processor. The device is simple, yet it provides 5G capability, offering up to 6 GB of RAM in its top version and 4 GB in the basic version, with 128 GB of storage that can be expanded to 2 TB using microSD cards. What stands out the most is its battery, boasting a capacity of 6,000 mAh, and it supports 25 watts charging. While this is remarkable for a Samsung device, it's worth noting that other manufacturers are beginning to introduce even larger batteries. But, well, Samsung does not usually break the barrier of 5,000 mAh in a common way, so that's why this device can get a stand out there. However, what truly disrupts the market is Samsung's commitment to providing 6 years of operating system updates along with 6 years of security patches. Additionally, it launches with Android 16 and One UI 8 right from the factory. This means it will be a device with an exceptionally long software lifespan, which is quite rare for devices in this category. Regarding cameras, we will find a main camera with 50 megapixels and an aperture of f1.8 and arrives with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which isn't very helpful. However, the front camera is 8 megapixels and has an aperture of f2.0. Samsung also claims to include Samsung Knox Vault for strong privacy and security hardware in your device, along with IP54 certification, which is intended solely for splashes. The advertised price in India is 15,990 rupees, which is roughly around $175. However, keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there. Most importantly, you should consider that this device was manufactured in India, meaning it will likely have the most competitive price in that market, and moving out of that market could alter it slightly. Tell me what you think is what Samsung should improve for its entry series devices, or if you think this device is already competitive enough. From my point of view, I think the weakest thing about this product would be its screen, but let me know your opinion in the comments.